Hey guys, and welcome back to the Nexus Green YouTube channel. We are at the exciting Summit residence where we've just nearly completed our first residential solar solution here in Kampala. So come and join me. Let's go up and see what's going on. Essentially in this video, you're going to see a lot of people doing a lot of things, cabling being one of them.
We have to make our work look very clean. The weight of the cable, it's very heavy, 35mm cable. It needs a lot of teamwork.
Basically, we provide solutions for the commercial and industry market. With this, we're able to reduce, depending on the need of the client, reduction of energy bills, stability of power. We're able to provide all this.
This place here, the panels are supposed to go like this. The risk.
These are vertical supports, 60 by 60. These are purlins, 80 by 40.
We have 4 of these roofs we're covering in panels to really reduce the cost of their energy bills. We use tier 1 products. They're the best, and we want to give you the competitive pricing. So we are now the exclusive distributors for Jinko, which thank you Jinko for giving us that opportunity. This is going to be a game changer. I'll see you later.
Hello everyone, welcome to the Summit View Residence. Today, on the first day as Nexus Green, we are here to lay cables from one point of the inverter. We are using Fronius inverters. We shall have 2 inverters on this swimming pool, one at the other point, then the other at the other point of the building.
We started by hoisting materials to site using a crane. The support structure has a simple dynamics. It attaches, holds anchors from wall to wall. We don't attach it to the floor. So we have 60 by 60 by 3mm hollow pipe as vertical members welded onto 50 by 25 by 3mm running beams. Then also have rafters of 80 by 40 by 3mm where the panel sits. After that, we anchor all the horizontal beams and the rafters onto the wall.
Nexus Green is an EPCF company. Engineering, procurement, construction, and finance. Basically, we provide solutions for the commercial and industry market. With this, we're able to reduce, depending on the need of the client, reduction of energy bills, stability of power. We're able to provide all this.
At the moment, as you can see, we are trying to start on the panel layout. We've already done the base structure, and then on top of it, we shall have the solar mounting structure.
What you're seeing today is one of our first residential solar solutions for this beautiful building called Summit Residence. We have basically covered every single roof with solar panels, so it basically will reduce all their bills during the day on the shoulder, which actually we found out 67% of their energy consumption is during the day. So this is going to be a great saver for the owners of this building.
We have to make our work look very clean. The weight of the cable, it's very heavy, 35mm cable. It needs a lot of teamwork. As you can see, it's a team of some heavy gentlemen.
Most people know Nexus Green for the Ministry of Water project we have, where we're blanketing the country with about 680 irrigation and water supply sites. As a company, we have a plethora of activities that we do. So one of them is a commercial and industry, where we provide solar energy use, productive use basically, for the different environments.
This job isn't a one-day thing. It needs a lot of effort, needs a lot of energy.
After we did an energy analysis of the site, we put in fluke machines, understand the energy usage, come up with a detailed analysis of how power is consumed there. You realize most of their power is consumed during daytime. So with this, we're basically offloading most of that energy use at daytime and giving it to solar. We are the equator, best place to have solar. is Uganda. So if you can offload that day load using solar, you've reduced their energy bills or energy consumption in a month by more than 36%. So with that, someone has more capital to invest in other things and allow solar. And remember, with solar, you're looking at a lifetime of about more than 20 years of the panels, more than 20 years. So basically for the next 20 years plus is enjoying amazing benefits from the solar.
Pull this rail lower. Where it will clip on the panel, right?
What do you want to do over here?
All right, then get your book. You check. Is it okay?
Now put another one now.
Put another panel. Now, do you want to add the third panel because we have it, or you think you can?
We add it, bring it.
We had started by doing a structural analysis on this entire floor just to make sure that everything we are adding will pass a structural integrity test. We are guiding the team on how to correctly lay and screw the panels to make sure that they are not blown off by the wind. So it's a very interesting phase. This is where we ensure that everything is done as per the book.
This place here, the panels are supposed to go like this. The risk.
Which one? Let me see.
This is the one.
These are vertical supports 60 by 60. These are purlins 80 by 40. And these are cross beams of 50 by 25. So this detail F here is how to anchor the plate onto the walls to make sure our structure is very strong, has no wind uplift force that can work against it.
These panels are Jinko panels, tier 1, phenomenal panels. They have a warranty for 25 years and above. These are 550 watt peak panels. As you can see, the guys are still working hard. We're going to get this finished by tomorrow, and then we commission, so really excited. If you look up there, we've also got panels there.
This one here is a bit tricky because we are trying to protect the utilities, the water facilities, without changing the design.
Yes, it's been a very good experience working with Nexus Green. You know, the levels of professionalism and trying as hard as possible to keep to deadlines. As you can see, we are quite happy with how neat the final solution has come out.
As Nexus Green, we ensure that everyone is safe, having a helmet, a reflector, and a very nice trouser, well labeled Nexus Green with the safety shoes.
We've done 4 of these buildings exactly like this, covering the whole bottom part and the top part with solar, and essentially this is now going to be used during the day. This is one of our trophies here in Uganda. It's a game changer, and if we do this for this residence, we can do it for all these other apartment blocks that are coming up. Can you see those apartment blocks? So call us and we will save you money. We've got great financing opportunities as well, so you don't have to put the whole capex in. You can spread it over, 6 to 7 payments, or you can opt for our PPA, our power purchase agreements, where we invest and then you get a considerable cheaper tariff rate. So call us at Nexus Green and get a free quote. There's no harm in it. We will sort the problem out with a Nexus Green solution, and that's what we're here for.
We've got different buildings in the pipeline at the moment, ranging from commercial to residential, and also certain projects within the tourism sector. So yes, definitely Nexus Green can and hopefully will play a role in these buildings and in these projects, especially in terms of creating a fully sustainable property. It's a selling point, especially within the ecotourism sector. We do see a potential future for growth. When we look at our current Umeme bill, we do see that majority of our consumption is on the shoulder, which is the daytime consumption. So we're looking at anywhere between 50 to 70% savings on our month-on-month electricity bill, which is significant, and hopefully it will result in a payback anywhere between 5 to 6 years. So that's quite exciting, and after that it's pure profit in our account. So we're excited.
So it's about making sure that you make the savings and get your responsibility as a company or this residential owner here to make sure that he's doing his part to reduce his CO2 footprint. So that's what we're about. So I'm really excited to keep doing these projects. We've got so many in the pipeline. We've got maybe another 6 projects that we've got to complete by the end of the year. And then next year is going to be, oh my gosh, a game changer. We've got so many things going on. Again, we use tier 1 products, They're the best, and we want to give you the competitive pricing. So we are now the exclusive distributors for Jinko, which thank you, Jinko, for giving us that opportunity. I suppose when you buy containers and containers and containers every month. If you've seen this video, I hope you enjoyed another one of these Nexus Green YouTube videos. I really appreciate you watching these. Keep sharing, keep subscribing, and essentially, you know, what we say is what we do, right? So if you want something with quality, you want something with a game-changing output, come to Nexus Green. We'll save you a load of cash on your energy bills, and you're doing your part for the environment. Let's reduce those carbon footprints, all right? Stay tuned. Bye.